To automatically turn on speaker when answering calls while your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not connected to a headset or Bluetooth device, you have to enable answer using speaker option in the phone app setting. To do so, open phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap setting, tap answering and ending calls, and then tap the gray on offset next to answer using speaker until the switch on screen to turn it on. With this setting, when you answer an incoming call while your phone is not connected to a headset or Bluetooth device, your phone will automatically turn on the speaker so you can hear the conversation better. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.